predators lurk. Some are bigger, some are faster, and some are just plain stronger. But these incredible creatures adapt, learn, and fight for every day they get to live. Small birds master the art of camouflage, hiding in leaves and branches, blending perfectly into their environment. Others rely on pure speed and agility, using sudden, unpredictable movements to escape an attack. Even the quietest bird is always on high alert, constantly listening and watching for threats. Food is never a guarantee either. They search tirelessly for seeds, insects, and fruit, sometimes memorizing migration routes that span thousands of miles just to find their next meal. Their lives are a constant battle, yet they persevere with intelligence and resilience. What we see as a simple life is actually an extraordinary story of survival, day after day. Thanks for watching.